Main topic. What is it mostly about? First, go ahead and put your name at the top. The directions say, read the text below. What was the text mostly about? Write the main topic on the line. Bonus! Can you circle the caption on this page? So I'm going to read it to you, and then I want you to think about what was this mostly about? So the main topic, this whole thing was mostly about, and then you're going to write it down right here. Okay, so turn the listening ears on, and you can follow along with me. Wetland food. There is plenty of food to eat in wetlands. Some wetland animals eat mainly plants. Animals that eat plants are called herbivores. Rabbits are herbivores. They eat grasses, flowers, and weeds. Most wading birds are carnivores, or animals that eat other animals. Wading birds eat fish, clams, frogs, and small reptiles. This bunny rabbit can find plenty of grasses and small plants to eat. So now after reading that, what do you think this whole thing was mostly about? The main topic of the text was blank. If you're not sure, slide this back and listen to it again, and then you can figure out what it was mostly about. The key is listening and thinking about what the whole thing in general was about. Don't forget your bonus. Can you circle the caption on this page? Take your pencil and put a circle around what you think is the caption. Good luck!